Hello everyone. Let me introduce the installation instructions for the PUREPLUS WFS5300A UnderSink water filter system. First, open the outer box and take out the two inner boxes. Accessories kit, UnderSink water filter system. Open the UnderSink water filter system box. Take out the system. Open the accessories kit. Take out all the accessories and check whether any accessories are missing according to the instructions. Prepare accessories: inlet hose, filter head, filter, outlet hose, 1/2 inch FIP to 3/8 inch compression, 3/8 inch compression to 1/2 inch FIP, 2 mounting screws, installation template, Teflon tape, quick connect tubing release tool. Next, prepare tools you may need: adjustable wrench, variable speed drill, and Phillips screwdriver bit. Flashlight if working in a dark environment, and a towel to catch any dripping water. Okay, before installation, let us find the installation template and remove the stickers. Place the template within 24 inches from the inlet valve. Align the bottom of the template with the floor. Next, place the Phillips bit in the electric drill. Align the self-tapping screw with the Phillips bit and drill at these two cross points, leaving 1/3 of the screw's length to hang the filter head. Let's check if the drilling is successful. Squeeze the lid to release. Align the two large holes of the system with the two screws. Hang it. Press down slightly. Wiggle the system back and forth slightly. If it shakes, drive the two screws deeper. If it doesn't move, the drilling is successful. Take off the system after drilling. Remove and discard the template. Hang the system on the screws. Align the lid and press down to lock it in place. Next, turn off the water inlet valve. Leave the faucet on until the water stops flowing. Place a towel under the water inlet valve to catch any dripping water. Use the adjustable wrench to disconnect the faucet hose from the water inlet valve. Okay, let me show how to connect the inlet valve. There are two situations. If the water inlet valve is a 3/8 inch compression connection, you can connect the system directly. Connect the filtration system's inlet hose with the water inlet valve. Use the adjustable wrench to tighten. Connect the faucet hose with the water filtration system's outlet hose to complete the setup. Use the adjustable wrench to tighten. Next, insert the inlet and outlet water hoses into the filter head. Push them in until you feel them click. Please note, after completing the insertion, pull the water hoses gently to ensure they are inserted tightly. Next, let us turn on the water inlet valve. Make sure the faucet is turned on to flush the new system to condition the new filter. Please note, it is completely normal for water to spurt out due to trapped air inside the system. Check for any possible leakage during flushing at the connections 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If there's any leakage, turn off the water supply. After flushing the new system for 3 to 5 minutes, turn off the faucet to pressurize the newly connected system. If there is no leakage, congratulations. You have successfully installed the PUREPLUS WFS5300A system. If it's a 1/2-inch FIP inlet valve, please get the 1/2-inch FIP to 3/8-inch compression adapter. Make sure the O-ring is in position. If the O-ring is separated from the connector, place the flat side of the O-ring against the connector. Attach the 1/2-inch FIP inlet valve to the 3/8-inch compression adapter and tighten it with the adjustable wrench. Connect the filtration system's inlet hose with the 3/8-inch compression adapter and tighten it with the adjustable wrench. Next, attach the 3/8-inch compression to 1/2-inch FIP adapter to the water filtration system's outlet hose. Make sure the O-ring is in position. If the O-ring is separated from the connector, place the flat side of the O-ring against the connector. And tighten it with the adjustable wrench. Then attach the 1/2-inch FIP adapter to the faucet's inlet hose. Make sure that the O-ring is in position. And tighten it with the adjustable wrench. Next, insert the inlet and outlet water hoses into the filter head. Push them in until you feel a little click. Okay, next, let's see how to use the Quick Connect tubing release tool. If you need to disconnect the hose, use the Quick Connect tubing release tool. Press down firmly on the push lock fitting. When the filter needs to be replaced, hold the filter head with your hand. Turn the filter about a 1/4 turn to the left to release it. Then remove the old filter. When installing a new filter, align, insert, and twist the new filter to the right about a 1/4 turn to complete the installation. Now let me taste a cup of filtered water. Wow, that tastes so fresh.